Hi, I'm Nyla.
Hi, I'm Jonathan.
And we'd like to ask you a question. Do you ever find yourself feeling unequal in relationships or drained in the presence of certain people in your life?
In our first video, we covered sensitivity. We explored what its source was, and we also began to look at how, through simple, practical exercises, we can learn to turn it down or turn it off as and when we need to. In this workshop, we're going to be looking at the interactions that we have with others and how that sometimes can be a vehicle for us to be drained energetically. We'll look at the mechanism behind that, principally thought forms and energetic cords. This is an absolutely vast subject, but it's worth knowing that energetic cords and thought forms are often part and parcel of psychic vampires, psychic attack, as well as addictions and also negative mental influence.
Now, the techniques that we'll be sharing with you are based on our experience of working on our own and also those of our clients' energy management issues, but also what we've learned through using the aura camera in exploring energy. But what exactly are energetic cords? How are they created and why are they important? Now, the first thing to remember is that we create cords all the time. It's just a simple, natural expression of our desire to connect to someone or something else in the form of energy. Because we are, after all, firstly energetic beings and then secondly physical ones. So I could cord to something that I admire in someone, for example, their charisma, their energy, their spirituality or their love. So my heart chakra will be corded to Jonathan's and hopefully vice versa.
Maybe.
Anyway, moving swiftly on. Cords are created from one chakra to another in alignment with that chakra's particular purpose or function. So, for example, if Jonathan loves me unconditionally, he will have corded to my heart chakra. However, if his love is conditional based on me doing exactly what he wants me to do...
Oh, sounds interesting.
Yeah, right, dream on. Anyway, he may also cord to my solar plexus. Alternatively, you can cord based on desiring objects. So, for example, I will be guilty quite often of cording to a bar of chocolate.
No.
I know, shocking, isn't it? But I love chocolate, but sadly, chocolate doesn't really love me. So cords are important because some cords can be positive and some cords can be negative. So a positive one would be, for example, between a mother and her child. But some can be negative, and that's where the subject of cord cutting comes in. So cord cutting can be really helpful in helping us to improve, or if necessary, eliminate entirely, sort of unhealthy relationships that we've kind of gotten ourselves into. So cord cutting can be really useful when, say, for example, you might have a domineering or controlling person around you who may be corded to your solar plexus or your throat chakra. Or an ex-lover who finds it hard to let go or doesn't want to see us move on may be corded to our solar plexus, our sacral and our heart chakra. Or even maybe a needy person who relies on us for help, for care and for support. They may be corded to our base, our heart, our spleen and our liver chakras.
So if you find that in your life you've got friends, colleagues, bosses, family members, clients who regularly drain you of energy, then this is literally the workshop for you.
Thank you so much for watching this video, And we do hope to see you again very soon, either in our next video or in person at our London workshops. Thank you so much. Goodbye now.
Thanks again for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.